454-1291. 1-800-454-1291.
Come on, man, don't do that. You know I hate that. What? You whispering directly into my ear.
Tapos?
Ha?
Mag-drive
Punta tayo ng mall para gumastos na naman si Tina.
Tanga, hindi bibili lang ako ng pang-trabaho ko. Bawal daw to eh.
Kung yung pang-trabaho mo, ibig sabihin Hollister?
No, hindi Hollister. Daw bibili ng damit. Madami na akong pera eh. Wala na akong pera eh.
That's what your kids call it these days.
Uy, dahan-dahan lang ha. Baka tayo kung saan makarating.
No sale, Miss Cranberry's Flash for you.
Yeah.
May I please have some of your Sierra Mist cranberry slush?
That's about it. This year's hot tea.
Ay, wala pala ikaw ganun. Dahan lang!
Special marked packages of Sierra Mist cranberry splash for rebate phone for 50 days. Sierra Mist cranberry splash.
Saan ka magpa-park? Sa may Target ka na mag-park. Kaya man, depends.
Hey Don, did you see Big
George
over there? How was George?
Very friendly, very helpful. The moment I talked to somebody in sales to find out if they had the major option package and color that
Wala
I
kang
wanted
video.
in stock.
It's okay. Jersey George and Got Toyota to others?
Absolutely, I already have.
GotToyota.com.
Nag-aayos pa talaga.
Buko eh. Kinamaganda ako. Ayan na, mag-green na.
Ah,
Toyota daw, Toyota.
Geek Squad!
Some search engines get you
Ano gusto mo ng Geek Squad?
Mga geek. Mga nag-aayos ng computer na pagkamahal-mahal.
Carry your bed into the forest while she was asleep.
Tapos?
Jill, wake up, Jill.
Where am I? What do you
Bakit Geek Squad?
Just want to show
Mga
them
geek sila eh.
Yahoo searches.
Like you?
Why didn't you just...
Not a geek.
And ruin the surprise.
I'm a kid
Come on,
geek.
search for
You're a perv. Joke.
Oh, that's smart.
Ay, ito yung kotse niya. Ano yung kotse niya, no?
Gives me related suggestions as I type.
Sure does.
Come on, ako pa tatanungin mo sa kotse.
And even text.
Sige na ako na. It's my turn.
Thoughtful way.
Uy, teka, nag-drive ako.
Eh, ano pa yung red pa? O, red pa yung... Yan, o, red.
Searching for a quick
Red pa, o. Oh, green yung sa... Eh, galing ko talaga.
Cool indeed, but I meant a quick getaway home. Those on puppies.
Right. I could search for rescue chopper or flare gun.
Now you're getting it, Jill. Switch to Yahoo search and get straight to your answers.
Ang gulo ng video natin ang puro daan. Itsura ng Amerika, puro Mexican. Eh, puro Mexicano. Sama pa talaga.
Diyan kami pumila hanggang dito.
Ngayon, Thanksgiving,
Yeah. Hanggang dyan ang pila.
Masa na tayo, bilis. Westfield, Topanga. Ay, ano ba yun? Masakot ang tiyan ko. Parang Disneyland lang.
Radio industry in this station to remind you that radio is
Sa taas tayo, sa baba?
radio is heard.
I don't know. Somewhere forever. Sa taas yun eh.
Taas?
Yes.